Welcome back to English Unlocked. Have you ever said something like, I had finished my work before dinner and wondered why we use had there? Don't worry, in this episode of Grammar Unlocked, we will break down the past perfect tense. So, we will study what it is and when to use it and how to avoid the common mistakes. Before diving, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe for more such useful grammar lessons. Now let's dive into the video. So what is a past perfect tense? It is used to show that one action was completed before another action in the past. It helps us tell what happened first. Let's see when we use it. We use it to show an action before another action in the past. For example, she had left before I called her. As you can see, her leaving was the first action. After that, the second action I called her happened. I hope you got it. Next, it's also used to reporting what someone said in the past. Like, he said that he had finished the project. As you can see, he is talking about an action that he already finished in the past, and that was reporting someone. Next, we use it to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations. Mostly, we frame the sentences with if or wish. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Here, she didn't do that particular action, but she is just imagining it. Next up, we also use it to give a reason for something happened in the past. For example, she was upset because she had lost her phone. Here, why she was upset? Because she had lost her phone. So that's the reason why she was upset. Now, let's learn how can we structure these sentences in past perfect tense. To frame an affirmative sentence, you should start with the subject followed by the auxiliary verb had, followed by the past participle form of the verb, then the object. Since it is a past perfect tense, that's why we are using had as the auxiliary verb. For example, they had completed the project. We had gone to the supermarket. Both the actions were completed before another action in the past. That's why we said both in the past perfect. Next, if you want to make a negative sentence, you should start with the subject followed by the auxiliary verb had, followed by not, followed by past participle, followed by the object. For example, she hadn't or she had not finished her homework. Next, when I arrived, he hadn't left. This is how we frame negative sentences in past perfect. If you want to frame an interrogative sentence, you should start with the auxiliary verb had followed by the subject, followed by the past participle, followed by the object. Please note that always use the past participle form of the verb since it is the past perfect tense. Here are some examples of interrogative sentences. Had he worked all day? Had they eaten anything? Now you know how to frame and when to use the past perfect. Now let's fix some of the common mistakes. We don't say she left before I arrived. Instead, say she had left before I arrived. Here we are talking about two completed action and her leaving was happened before the arrival. That's why the first action said in the past participle. And next, we don't say they had went to the store. Instead, say they had gone to the store. We often forget to use the past participle form of the verb with the auxiliary verb had. So that's why the first sentence is wrong. Next, we don't say had not he finished the work. Instead, say had he not finished the work. This is how we frame an interrogative negative sentence. Always start with the auxiliary verb followed by the subject, followed by the not and the past participle, then the object. So now it's a practice time for you all. You can pause the video and comment a sentence using past perfect tense. I hope you have done, and if you have any questions about the tense, please do ask me in the comment section. And in the next episode, we will unlock the past perfect continuous tense. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the next episode. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you found this video useful, please do like,